Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I bake these eggs in the oven. សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំនឹងបង្ហាញអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នារបៀបអាំងពងទាក្នុងចង្ក្រាន You need turkey baster to suck it out from the eggs shell យើងត្រូវការអានេះសម្រាប់បឺតវាចេញ a knife heavy handle not too sharp កំបិតដងធ្ងន់ដើម្បីស្រួលវាយពងទាវាយសម្បកពងទា This knife with heavy handle will help you poke the egg, make a little hole. You will see in a little bit. Stick ឈើស្រួចចុង You need a sharp at the end. This recipe call for 5 dozens of eggs, but you don't have to make 5 dozen. You can cut the ingredient half of it. I will show you how to crack the eggs. Here's the flat side and here's the pointy side. So you got a hole like this. Use this knife. Tap យើងប្រើកំបិតនឹងដំវាវាយវាបន្តិចស្រាកុំឲ្យធ្ងន់ពេក Not too heavy so that way. I almost break the whole thing. You just need a little hole. Don't make it too big. Just like that. Now that the hole is done. Use this stick. យើងប្រើឈើនេះ Put it in ដាក់ចូល Just stir for a little bit យើងកូរវា Mix the egg yolk and the egg white together. After that ហើយយើងប្រើអានេះ Use this turkey baster. Squeeze and put it in ដាក់ចូលអញ្ចឹង Let it suck ឲ្យវាបឺត Let it suck it out បឺតចេញអញ្ចឹង And you do that through all the egg យើងធ្វើទាំងអស់គ្រប់ពងទាទាំងអស់យើងធ្វើអញ្ចឹងហើយយើងនឹងថែមគ្រឿងយើងវាយវាម៉ត់ After you take it out you mix with the seasoning and you put it back in the same way. That's it. See, that's how easy it is. It's fast. That's my fast way of doing it. After you take all the egg out from the eggshell, that's what it look like. Half tablespoon of salt. អំបិលកន្លះស្លាបព្រា 1 tablespoon of black pepper. ម្រេច1ស្លាបព្រា Sugar half tablespoon ស្ករកន្លះស្លាបព្រា Chicken powder half tablespoon ម្សៅស៊ុបសាច់មាន់កន្លះស្លាបព្រា Oyster sauce 1 tablespoon. soy sauce 1 tablespoon ទឹកស៊ីអ៊ីវ1ស្លាបព្រា You mix it all up together យើងលាយវាឲ្យសព្វ mix it really good I mix the egg really good ខ្ញុំលាយពងទាវាយវាឲ្យសព្វ mix it good I use these you squeeze it let it suck it put it back in the eggshell ដាក់ចូលចឹងដាក់ពងទាចូលក្នុងសបកវិញ you put it back in it should look like this is 38 អានេះ30ពង I preheat the oven 170 degree ខ្ញុំបើកចង្ក្រាន170កម្ដៅ170 you bake for 90 minutes យើងដឹក90 minutes then we're going to check back again okay that's what it look like be careful don't break it